Today, scientists tell us that we are at the start of a mass extinction. But with help, even the most vulnerable wildlife populations can still recover.
To launch the series 7 Worlds, 1 Planet, we've created the 7 Worlds Living Globe. This globe is packed with habitats and plants designed to create spaces for a whole range of different species, from hedgehogs to bees and birds, bringing to life the biodiversity highlighted in the BBC series.
We're giving out little packs of seed balls that everyone can plant, and that will turn into wildflowers next year.
I didn't really realise how much wildlife actually was in a big city like Cardiff.
It's a very strong message.
It's just what is, take care of it.
This is a crucial moment in time. The decisions we take now will influence the future of animals, humanity, and indeed all life on Earth.